giveaway update. I didn't exactly specify when we are actually going to be giving away the winners of these 2 block creates that we're giving away. But if you want to check out my giveaway video, it'll be up here in the next minute or 2. But yes, we are giving away 2 block creates, and I wanted to say that the deadline to enter the giveaway is going to be Tuesday, March 1st. Right now it's currently Saturday, February 26th, so you have a couple of more days to enter. What you need to do is make sure you follow the rules on that video that we just had do the thing up there. That's where you need to leave your comment with the Go Nerdy Dude Squad and your question. And then if you're entering for the Nerdy Dude Squad logo in sending the email, you have until March 5th, first to get that done, and then we are going to upload them on Twitter. So make sure you follow me on Twitter at Nerdy Dude Stuff, where you can go and cast your vote by hearting or liking or whatever the hell the kids are doing these days on Twitter, and the #1 logo there will win the other block create. Now, I also want to point out that these block creates will be shipping at the end of March, beginning of April. So we'll pick the winner at March 1st. I was told that these block creates will ship to me on the end of March, beginning of April, and then I will send them out to the winner. So with that said, that's it for today's intro. Nothing to do with having complete writer's block or the fact that my graphics artist has not responded to me for the original video I wanted to do today. So we're improvising because we want to bring you terrible quality content. Nerdy Dude Stuff. For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is brought to you by Cerebral Brewing out of Denver, Colorado. This is called Super Secret Chat Room. This is a double New England IPA with Mosaic and Strata hops sitting at 8% alcohol by volume. This is a juicy juice bomb, juice explosion in the mouth, light on the hops that's got They describe it as notes, but this has got a mouth punch of pineapple paloma with a little bit of white pine, which gives it that slightly piney, but it really complements the juicy thickness of this hazy. And then Rhone Rosin, not even gonna pretend to know what that is, but man, this one is delightful. Like I said, it's out of Denver, Colorado. If you've had this one's a 4.5 out of 5 in my opinion. Don't at me, bro. Otherwise, cheers to you guys. Bink! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about cryptocurrency. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider hitting that subscribe button, turning on the bell notification, and liking this video. Why do we all ask you to like videos? Because apparently YouTube's got an algorithm, and if you guys like it, then YouTube's be like, oh snap, people like this, let's put it out there. And for my dream to retire as a YouTuber and not do a regular 9 to 5, I need you to like this video. So come on, just do it. Just do it. Just do it for me. All right? Now, as you know, we are hosting a giveaway, and we just explained the rules, and we did the video thing, and we explained it in the video. One of the questions that we got was, what's up with Thor? And I was like, oh snap, I haven't had a Thor update in a while. All the rewards have readjusted pretty much. I think we're just waiting on the last node, which is the little itty bitty Heimdall node, and then all of those will be readjusted and reallocated. We're going to take a look at the price. I know I've kind of promised how to set up Polygon on your MetaMask wallet, so if that's something that you were kind of hindering on, we are going to go ahead and show that today as well. Always do your own research. We're going to take a look at a couple of things. We actually are in the works of trying to get an AMA going with Loki, who's like their head community manager, and he's like doxed himself and everything. And since he doxed himself, he's been actually doing some AMAs. So if you guys have any Thor questions or anything like that, please make sure you leave them below as comments, and maybe I will take a couple of those and ask him when we set up that video. Otherwise, we're just going to look at what the platform has to offer, where we are, what we've done with our earnings, and how much we put in, and our future plans. So let's jump over to the computer screen. First things first, I said Polygon in my intro. I meant Avalanche. So we are going to show you how to connect Avalanche to your MetaMask wallet. You will need MetaMask, and you will need Avalanche as one of the tokens to be able to operate and utilize Thor. Let's take a look at, oh my God, who's texting me right now? Let's take a look at how to do that. First off, what you need to do is get yourself MetaMask. It's a Google Chrome extension, really simple. Google it. I'm not going to Google it, but you can Google it if you want. Next up, you're going to be in your MetaMask, and it's going to start off with your Ethereum mainnet like so. What you're going to want to do is you can either copy this information you see on screen, pause the video, put it in, Google it, how to connect Avalanche to MetaMask. And then you are going to go up here to the top. You're going to click on the drop down and you're going to go down to add network. As you can see, I have a few networks already added to my MetaMask. So you're going to hit add network. What that is going to do is load up the token information. So you're going to need the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, which is optional, and the block explorer URL, which is optional as well. You are then going to take the Avalanche network. You can just copy and paste like we are doing here. Copy, paste, go back, and then you're going to take the RPC URL, copy and paste. You're going to go bink, and then you're going to go back, and you're going to go bink. And then it's already in mine, so you're going to see an error, so don't worry about it. But then you're going to get the chain ID, bink, and then you're going to go back here, and you're going to paste it, bink. And then you're going to go back and get the symbol, and you are going to go back here, and you're going to paste it, and you're going to go bink. And if you do all that correctly, you're going to get the, what does it say? Save icon that'll light up in that nice little blue color. You're going to hit that save icon, so let's imagine that I just hit that save icon.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Shut up, Siri. Stop listening to me, FBI. Creepy. Anywho, we just hit that save button, and now we are going to have our Avalanche network in our MetaMask wallet so we can access it. The next thing you're going to want to, it's a little behind, so it should be showing my Avalanche. But the next thing that you're going to want to do, let's change networks to get that to change, shall we? There we go. So now we're on BNB. Let's go back to Avalanche. There we go. So now you can see that we have our base currency of AVAX, which is the Avalanche token, and that's the token that you're going to need to get yourself some Thor if you want to participate. If not, no big deal. Do your own research, all that jazz. There's not a referral link. I don't get any credit or benefit by suckering or dragging you guys into this underneath me like anything else. So do whatever you want. Don't give a crap. Anywho, we're then going to go to Trader Joey xyz.com. We are going to have AVAX in our wallet. We're not doing an AVAX transfer video. We're just going to be doing a Thor video. And so you're going to have AVAX in your wallet. You're going to go over here to the drop down, and you're going to find yourself by either copy and pasting the Thor contract address or just typing in Thor because it is over here. Click on that there, and then you can designate how much Thor you want to purchase. So you're going to swap from AVAX Avalanche to Thor by, let's say you want to get 12.5 Thor because you want to get that Thor node, or you want to get 1.25 because you want to get that Heimdall node, or 6.5 because you want to get that Freya node, or you're a big baller and you want to get 78.5 because you want that Odin node. That's how you do it. Ba-bink, 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 bada-boom, bada-bing. All right. Up next, Thor is currently sitting at $44.75. So you're looking at, if you got the node that I got, and we'll show those here. Turn back on. I'm going to play Final Fantasy 14 while I'm uploading this video. I needed 12.5 Thor. Now remember, when I got into Thor, I spent $2,700. I bought at the height. Like, my wonderful ability in crypto is buy high, sell low. That's just how it is for me, because I'm a dingleberry. Oops, that's just life, I guess. $44.75. So right now, if you want to buy the Thor node, you're looking at $560 to get one of those. I was going to see if they were going to get lower and get myself another Thor node, but it kind of seems like it's been lingering between $43 and $47. So I'm hoping, because it was doing some dropping. We're going to talk about that here in a minute. So Thor is currently that much. If you wanted the cheapest node possible as of right now, you can get that for $55.85. Let's go take a look at those nodes, and then we are just going to show my numbers because, I mean, why dilly-dally anymore? So as of right now, the Heimdall node, $55 is 1.250 Thor, and that's yielding out 0.02 Thor a day. So let's pull that up, and we'll do 44.68 times 0.02, and that's actually going to change in 3 days, and I'm going to show that change here in just a minute. I'm glad you guys stopped me, and you were yelling at your screen for me to correct that. As of right now, it's making 89 cents a day. Big freaking whoop. In a few days, when this changes, you're going to see right here, it's going to drop down to 0.008 a day. So $55 is going to 44.68 times 0.008. It's going to be making 35 cents a day, but that's a $55 investment. So if it's $55 divided by 0.357, you're looking at 154 days to get your $55 back. Nothing too bad. Next node, 6.25 times 44.68. You're looking at 279, $280 to get into. That one, I believe, is actually accurate with the 0.05 now. So 44.68 divided by, no, it's multiply. Oh my gosh, I can't divide by 0. Guys, if you ever want to hear something funny, ask Siri to divide by 0. It's hilarious. That can't be right, can it? No. We're doing this is what we need to do. 0.5. So that one is making about $2.23 a day. And then mine, which is right now, is at 12.5 Thor times 44.68. So it was $560 for me to get in. That one's currently making 0.14 Thor a day at 468. So that's currently making $6.25 a day as well. I'm not gonna bother Odin. I mean, if you guys have, big baller money to get an Odin like this, which actually for $3,000 isn't bad, and that's making about, or for $3,500. I was closer to buying an Odin now when I bought my Thor node for $2,700. Isn't that insane? But yeah, so that would be making obviously a little over $44 a day. Now, let's talk about my actual holdings. So, you can see right here, I can claim 1.377 Thor. As of the switch on February 14th, which was about 12 days ago, we have been recompounding. And what we actually did, since it was tax-free, to like either stake or withdraw the Thor that we had from the previous reward structure, is we did cash out, and I'll show you where I moved that here in a second. But as of right now, we've got 1.377218 Thor. There is no shelf life on this. There's no expiration on when these nodes are going to stop paying out. It is important to know that when you put that amount of Thor token in, it's gone and burned away. You can't withdraw or pull it out. So your goal kind of would be, or should be, or mine should have been, to get my 12.5 back and then go ahead and withdraw or get another node, and that's kind of what we did. So realistically, looking at mine, I've got 12 point. It's going to take like around 125 days for me to get another node availability unless that token drops. So 12.5 divided by so 90 days. It's actually going to take me 90 days to be able to get another node, which isn't too bad at all. And then if we've got 2 nodes, we'll be sitting at 0.28, and then we would be sitting closer to like just 45 days or something. So divided by 0.14, so that 12.5 divided by 0.28. So that's going to be sitting at 44 days, and then it's going to keep compounding there. So maybe we kind of want to get ourselves in a situation where we could have like we can get a new node every like 2 weeks or something like that. So maybe that's kind of the goal here. What we actually ended up doing, and we're not going to do a full video on this today, is but we pulled out most of our profits and we put it over here in drip, thanks to Mindertron for getting us in. So you can see most of our Thor profits that we had, we put right here. So we've got 8.714 drip. We've got $5.20 that we can go ahead and compound or withdraw, which we're not going to at the moment. And then you can see here we got to pay up. But this is a completely separate video, but this is where I allocated the funds from Thor instead of getting another node at that time. So we're going to kind of see going forward if we want to get a node or not. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. Any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me on Discord or Twitter. That Twitter handle is @NerdyDudeStuff. You can find this information in the description of this video, and you want to make sure you do because you're going to have a chance to vote on the Nerdy Dude Squad logo or participate in the giveaway, either or, whatever, doesn't matter. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm O'Price, and we'll see you guys next time.